Sydney the Top. Look, Jacobite Hike.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me,
You know, I'm sure the last time I was here, all those years ago I was in this bit. So I remember being nearer the river than where we are. Nearer the trees. I think that was in there. Nice evening.
Lovely, isn't it?
Right, it's Monday morning, sorry, Monday afternoon, 12 o'clock, and we're going up to Red Tarn. We just left the campsite, which is about here. There's Ullswater there. It's just stunning. Nathan and William have gone on ahead. I'm not in the kilt today. I'm in jeans and a bloody cagoule. Weather like this. Trying to get a sweat on. It's only 2.5 miles to Red Tarn. I'm not going all the way up to Helvellyn. I'll just go to the tarn, have something to eat up there and drink. Chill for a couple of hours, or an hour or so, and come back down. It's only 2.5 miles, so. And we're going up there, pretty much up there. Boys are in here somewhere on the other side of that wall. So this is a steep climb though. So, and then it's cut and levels off at the top and the path split up next to a wall. So I'll see you up there somewhere. I'll leave you with that. Not just stunning. Still going uphill. William and Nathan are way ahead. There's part of the campsite down there. A little green field below the town. Stunning. Past the sheep, past this young couple. That's just good talking to them, a lovely young couple. Path goes up and it kind of levels off after the wall. I've only came about 20 or 30 feet, but it's just stunning. I'll zoom in a bit. There's a shaky. William was out in a canoe from here somewhere, in the Canadian canoe out, and then I pretended to be scared, and we ended up on that wee beach over there. So I wanted to see if we could take control and stuff, and he was absolutely brilliant. We just make our car just down there between those trees there. Yeah, between those trees. Just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay. I'm still getting used to this camera. Look at that. Right, I better go try and catch up with the boys a wee bit. I'm dawdling. See you in a bit. Cheerio. There. I think the light on that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? There's Ullswater down the bottom and the campsite before it. I say, I remember coming out of the campsite, going up in the hills and seeing the tarn behind me on the hill, looking down, seeing the campsite in the loch lake. But the woman at the campsite that booked us in, she came out the door and looked over to that ridge over there. It's confused the hell out of me for about 2 days. Or a day and a bit. My phone said it was this side. I remember being this side. And then we've seen people walking up here this morning. So it had to be this side. So for once my memory was right. That's just stunning. Right, I'm going to go up and catch the boys. Hurrah! There's two on the hill up there. There's two on the hill. Just to the hill up there. Right in front of me. There's the boys trying to rescue a wasp or a bee.
It's a bee. I think it stopped moving now.
The time I've been sat here. That's the thing. It kept coming through the water and then it was like on my balls.
Pretty calm there.
It looks calm from here, but it's not when you're down there. See the colour of it?
Yeah.
See the dark bit in where the boats are? That's calm. And the rest of it's got the wind look. And you see the other shore where you've got the shadow and the dark water where it's calm. There's William in the middle of the screen. Nathan's gone on ahead. And that just that way over there, Penrith. Ullswater, way right at the bottom. Can't remember the name of the village, I'll put it on the screen. There's a campsite just this end, you can see a wee tent at the bottom and a tractor. There's green fields closest, just down here, there. See, it's breathtaking. Zoom out. Not a bad view for England, eh? Up there, heading up there. See you in a bit. Cheerio. Right, William's just gone over the ridge there. It's just stunning. Look at that, I'll have to go a wee bit darker.
Slippery! I've got to stand still, otherwise I'm going to move. I'm going to fall in. I literally... Ah! You still not found it? Safe. I have lost where it was. The rocks are either too slippery or they hurt. I don't have balance for this.
What bleeds for you?
Breeds.
Bleeds.
I'll sit on this for a little bit.
Look at that view,
It's a burn game.
Okay.
William, if I threw your phone out into the middle, would you be able to go out and get it there?
It'll be broken. So it's not worth going for
Your
it.
phone just turned on, but let's just not use phones for a while. Right. So they live.
Oh, kettle's gone. Right.
I've lost it.
I'm not off for now. Frying pan on in a minute.
No. I forgot you were allergic to water.
That's not
It
bad,
is
just-
freezing.
It genuinely is
Pussy.
too cold for me.
No, it's colder than anything up in Scotland.
Oh, you
I don't know if it's
fucking-
to do with the highest
Where
bit
can I
of
get
water
from
in
here?
England, I don't know.
Some of the rocks, they just slide.
A bit more butter than that.
Right, we'll see you down there.
That's just a lovely place.
Just stepped off a big toe. Scotch.
No.
Burnt.
There's a bird.
Burnt.
There's a bird. You see that bird?
No.
It's a jinky jump.
I am man too. My board.
It's a breathtaking place. Right, that's us leaving. Well, it's 4:30. That's us leaving Red Tarn to head down the hills back to the campsite. And I think the way the tent was last night, pissing in the rain, leaking everywhere, I think we'll be heading back down Penrith, Scotch Corner, back south. Over the hills there, look. So wouldn't that be easier? It's been a hell of a hike up. I've had no energy whatsoever. That town way in the distance over there, way over there in the middle, that's Penrith. That's where we're heading. Penrith, Scotch Corner, and then down. So let's follow this path round. That's only my second ever time here. That one up there, that's the ridge along the top of that. The last time I was here 25, 26 years ago, I done that up there. Along the top, there's some people up there. Along that, up that ridge to that peak there. Back down to there, down that path. And then down to there, and I camped over there. And then the second night, I camped on that hill up there. Right, so camera away, keep up with the boys, get down at a decent time, get the car and head home. That way I'm there for Susie tomorrow night as well. It's Tuesday's a late night, I want to be there for her. Oh, fuck me, them miles away already, look. Right, put the camera away. Heading along that to there and then downhill. Catch you later. Right, that's us heading back down. Here's Ullswater, Penrith, way below us. Penrith in the distance. There's a wee village down there. There's the boys way below me. Trying to be friendly. friend a sheep. Just breathtaking. Right, we're heading back to Hike. So, catch you later. Cheerio.